The recent leaks of highly classified Pentagon documents have shed light on the extensive spying activities conducted by the US on its allies and foes alike. Commenting on this, experts say the US has been investing heavily in spying activities, which reveals the country's hegemonic mindset.
İstihbaratına yönelik, sinyal istihbaratına ve elektronik istihbarat yönelik bir şeyi var. İstihbarat birimi var. Çok büyük bir birim. 80 bin ile 100 bin kişilik civarında kişinin çalıştığı değerlendiriliyor bu birimde. Bu National Agency diye, United States National Agency diye bir birim biliyorsunuz. O birimin işi dinlemek. Yani hem stratejik dinlemeler yapıyor, hem de diğer dinlemeleri yapıyor.
The United States of America dabbles heavily into spying to keep their knowledge about enemies as well as friends up to date. That's how I look at it. The Americans have been dabbling in surveillance of friends and foes and enemies, everybody. And this has been happening for a very, very long time. It does show the US hegemony. US is a big hegemon. Mighty, powerful nations get away with whatever they're doing. There are no standards, there is no accountability.